So according to the research in photobiomodulation, there is a number of ways that you can modulate a light wave frequency in order to have slightly different therapeutic effects. So when we designed the CERA Thrive headband, we used a lot of that research to pull together 6 different programs for 6 different and very specific applications. And we can do that because we have 4 different wavelengths, so potentially we can target 4 different light receivers in the body and brain. Also, we can pulse that light, which means we can turn that light on and off at a very specific frequency that corresponds to certain brainwave frequencies. So that's called pulsing mode. So we can either have a continuous light or we can have a pulsed light, and that will have a slightly different therapeutic effect. And we can also change the target site. So you can see on your headband that we have 4 different light clusters, and each of those clusters is pointing to a different target site on the brain. So we have one in the center here, we have one on each of the hemispheres, the left and the right hemisphere, and we also have a light cluster that goes on the back of the head pointing towards the cerebellum part of the brain. So by having a combination of these different features, a combination of varying the percentages of the wavelength, changing the pulsing schedule, and changing the target site on the brain, we can be more specific in the application of the headband. So I'm going to go through each of those things separately, and also in your manual and the manual online, you'll be able to see which of the different pulsing frequencies we've used for a specific program, and that will enable you then to select the program based on what you're trying to achieve, what your health goal is at the time.